Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you came back to visit me again. Yesterday, I did a little mini walkthrough of my 10 decks that I couldn't do without. One of them was this Playful Heart Tarot, and I mentioned in that video that I had another deck on order and some expansion cards for this deck, and they came in yesterday, so I wanted to unbox them with you and take a quick look. So if you enjoy my content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, woo, look at there. I'm not sure what I've got here, but it's so cute. This is also so cute. So I don't know which one to undo first. Well, I believe, I had this deck and I hadn't obtained the book. I neglected to order the book, so since I was ordering another deck of cards, I went ahead and got the book that goes along with the tarot deck. And even though I had downloaded a PDF book, it's nice to have a better copy than just what I can print out on my computer. So here we have, oh, this is not the book, this is the cards. Oh, wow, these are gorgeous. Look how big they are. This is a majors only deck. Oh, look at the back. So this is more, I think, meant for perhaps your altar or less extensive readings, maybe just a single daily card pull card. So this looks like it's meant to be the Fool, hatching out of the egg. There's the little top from the egg, the sun. And down here, we've got kind of illustrated meanings. We've got some kind of illustrated meanings like be careful, no, don't miss the mark. Oh gosh, look at that. Warning you about inertia. That is a really nice card. It's so big, it's hard for me to get it all in the frame. I believe these are 5 by 7. And this is, I believe, the Magician. Got that little Red Riding Hood look to her. So pretty, the red and yellow. The lilies. And these are the sort of illustrated meanings for the card. Here we have the High Priestess. We've got the pillars. She's got the book, the moon for a crown. Somebody fishing there in her river. I love the water coming out from the book there. That's really a lovely idea. And these are meant to be, I'm looking from behind the camera, so some of the possible meanings for the card without writing keywords, they're kind of like illustrated keywords. Okay, here we have the Empress. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful Empress. She's got her little angelic babies there. She's artistic, creative. Next we have the Emperor. I don't know what he has in his hand there. So he's the father of the flock. He's got his eye on you. He's directing traffic. I can get some of the meanings immediately. Others I might have to look at the thumbnail for a minute. So there's the Emperor. The Hierophant is an owl. Love that. Oh, look at that. Kind of the illustrated keywords there. A guru. Kind of a bardic idea there. Telling tales, singing songs. Kind of herding you in. Herding cats. I guess it would seem like herding cats to some authority figures in some of our institutions. But look at that. That's just really lovely. Look at that owl. The books. The keys are there. Love him. Here is the Lovers. Sort of an Adam and Eve idea. We've got the angel up above. Here's the Chariot. Seven, seven, running, running, running. This is kind of a slot machine iconography there. Really cute. I am going to enjoy the heck out of these cards. They're like an oracle deck almost. Here's Strength. Oh, that's so beautiful. And here we have the Hermit. A very sweet little evening insecty, snail-like hermit. The Wheel. That's just darling. Look at that. Maybe this is spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Very nice. Justice. Wow, look at that bright yellow. That'll get your attention. That's a great Justice card. She's got the apple in one bag and the seeds in the other. And I believe there's an image similar to this that replaced the other Justice card in this deck with the new edition. But I don't have the new edition. The Hanged Man. Here is Death. So the seeds are falling to the ground, ready to regenerate in the spring. Temperance. Really sweet. I love her teapots there. One rainbow and the other a kitty. Here is the Devil. The Tower. Got the falling people. And the tower struck by lightning. The dark background. Excellent, excellent. I kind of wish these were the same size and background as this deck here so that I could change those out with my Playful Hearts deck. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. love the artwork. It's just so special. She has, I looked on her website, and the author or the artist has done murals at several children's hospitals. Judgment. Gosh, I love that. And the World. So that is this special Majors Only deck. If you're interested, I'll put a link in the description box below. Now let's see, what else did I get? I believe my book should be in here. Alrighty, so what else have I got in this package? Oh, this is the expansion pack. This matches the card backs for this deck. Got a couple little stickers. Oh, how cute. Very sweet. So here's my expansion pack. Trust life. Express your joy. Wow, you got it. Love, accept all of you. Letting it go, say goodbye. Relax into not knowing. Explore true abundance. And then there are a couple of cards in this Playful Heart deck that are not a part of the tarot deck itself. So I am going to put those in with my other, with this expansion pack, and use them kind of like as a matching oracle. So if I need to have another card pull, I can do that. But I'll have to search through here to find those. All right, so I did go through my original deck and found the other cards that are meant to be additional cards. Things are easier than you think. Yes. Embrace your inner child. And those are the three that came with the original deck. And then, of course, we've already looked at the expansion pack here. So I've got about a dozen expansion cards here, so that's really nice. Going to be very useful. I received this nice card in with this order. Thank you so much for your support and the note. Enjoy the cards. Zara, I hope I'm saying her name right. Z-A-A-R-A, Kitten Chops. And her website. Very sweet. Cuteness is my sacred space. So this is the book. Playful Heart Tarot Guidebook. I'm really glad I purchased this. It was only like $6. So if you do order the deck and you want to have the guidebook, you need to either download it yourself and print it out, or you can buy this little copy for $6. And it's kind of nice to have a copy with a good cover. I've already read through this, and I went through it pretty much extensively in my video that covered this Playful Heart Tarot deck. So I'll link to that so that you can see the walkthrough of the other cards. Okay, take care. Have a very great rest of the day. Please like and subscribe for more great content.